29, rather it's 30th today, 30th January 2021. I'm here in Erkard. It's about 6 p.m. in the evening. From time immemorial, the Vedas have been passed on to the next generation through sound waves, and it's been passed on to the next generation through the Guru Sishya Parampara. So in a similar way, I'm recording this with the help of technology. Whatever the thoughts I have for the business of Sinha Enterprises, and here goes. From the discussions had, we are trying to give a total picture of what I could contribute to Sinha Enterprises in the form of audio which I had earlier recorded, which clearly gives three different scenarios. Where one, we have considered industrial bearings and the different potentials and possibilities with my experience, and how we could kind of use this experience and generating business for Sinha Enterprises. One for the Canadian market, and two for the Indian market operating from Canada. So that was one. Secondly, for the solar and LEDs, where we have considered renewable energy. What is the potential and which are the possibilities? How we can convert the existing, existing power plants from thermal, hydro, which are all high, very inefficient, and at the same time which really take a toll on the environment, from these to the environment friendly renewable energy and the most popular solar energy. And of course we can also consider wealth from waste by using biomass energy, and again the byproducts of different factories which could be co-generated, and power could be produced and utilized. So if you look at the total capacity or the total demand of power in Canada with the new industrialization and with the new governments, and the demand, I'm sure I will come up with statistics. The demand is being met by the traditional and highly inefficient and environmental unfriendly power plants, which need to be changed to the environment friendly and renewable energies, and especially with the use of waste and with the help of solar energy. So in the process of, as I already discussed with Mr. Sinha, the integration part is being taken over, is being taken care already, and small pockets are being fed, in the sense with the help of the lithium ion plant. The existing clientele, from what I understand from the website, is being catered to with small pockets. Similarly, we can add value by utilizing resources from India. Instead of China, we could locate Indian suppliers and try to leverage on their skills and deploy those skills and get their productivity to work for Sinha Enterprises. So the supplier evaluation can be done, and we could deploy new suppliers, new manufacturers for our existing clientele. Similarly, we can identify new clients for bigger power plants, which I had also mentioned in my previous audio. We are looking at different new clients who will have a higher capacity, especially the factories, the bigger corporates who will be higher consumers of power, who would be utilizing the government supply, or I'm not very sure what the distribution. Again, I'll go back and do a study how the distribution is taken care, the generation and distribution, power transmission, distribution, how it's being taken care. All these need to be thoroughly studied, and we can give a solution. I'm sure already there is some, with all the different countries that have been agreed. I'm not sure where Canada has a play. I'm sure India has a India, and the growth of the transition from the unfriendly power plants to the environment friendly solar and wind energies and renewable energies. India has taken a very strong and a very fast step, and I'm sure Canada is also doing that. So there we have a very good role to play as far as Sinha Enterprises is concerned. We will address those situations, we will address those problems, where we will try to come up with solutions, like we can give a turnkey solution with renewable, with solar, with wind, and all these we will take up in a big way, and we will establish a relationship with the government, as which I'm sure Mr. Sinha is already having a good relationship. We will try to harness that relationship and try to give a solution with our renewable, environment friendly solar, wind energy power plants. So already I can see that a gas plant is already being taken into our stride, and we are already working on that line. And since we already have it, we will try to add the other two options which are available to us, when we will try to give a complete solution for the renewable energies. And that way, the green energy, the green credits can also be passed on, for which we have consultants. We can deploy them, like for example, there is a BEE in India. And similarly, I'm sure there's a LEED, which again says the BEE is a standard, and LEED are like green houses, green whatever you call as the environment friendly evaluation of these buildings and plants which use environment friendly and green energies. So these kind of organizations, I'm sure, are there in Canada, and I will do a research on those organizations. We will tie up with them, and we will try to give a complete solution, and we will also get LEED certified, and we will pass on the benefits to our clients, and we will answer in this manner, give a value addition to our clients, and we will try to capture new businesses with much bigger volumes and with a complete solution. So there we will address this, and we will come up with a total market cap. What is the potential? What is the gigawatt requirement? And where we stand right now, and where we can go on, and what is the gap between these two, and how Sinha Enterprise can leverage our skills with a new team, and how we can achieve the objective. So this is the plan I have for our new enterprise, and I will come up with a detailed PPT which will explain in detail how we can slowly go ahead with this. So in the process, we could acquire a lot of plants, especially with I had seen a couple of days back in the news, Mr. Gadkari has insisted that some SMEs should come up with Leon, that is lithium-ion factories in India, which can address the solution for electric cars and electric bikes. That could be another major role where we can play. And similarly, we could acquire plants. Especially, I have one in mind. A close relative of mine has a plant. He is a managing director. This is a small plant which has a production capacity, and which can produce pretty good large volumes of batteries. Right now, they are deploying only the lead acid traditional method, and they are also using another zinc zinc, I'm not very sure, zinc nitrate, I think. That's another technology which is being used for producing big volume batteries for defense. So there is a spare capacity of producing lithium ion batteries, but that's not been really as of now utilized, where we can try to utilize their capacity. And the plant is as of now not doing very well. It's a sick run plant. So we have every with every we can do a study, and we can negotiate with them and try to acquire this plant. This could be again plan B of our China enterprise, which we already have there. This could be a plan B where we can utilize their services, and we can try to deploy and get leverage with that. So that plant also had some spare land which was where they're struggling, and in fact I was given those details, and I was asked to ask for help, but unfortunately that part of time I was busy with some projects, so I was not able to help them. But here at least it's a win-win situation. We can try to acquire that plant. Similarly, we can take in our stride lot of different Lotus Technical Solution is another area which we can negotiate. It comes to Sinha automatically, where LED light is the main manufacturing capacity, and this can be added on to our existing Sinha enterprises. It's another feather in our cap, where we can clearly give a value addition in the process, where the power transmission distribution. So when it comes to distribution, we can really look at Lotus Technical Solution, and we can give a thorough solution for the distribution area. And for the power transmission and generation, as I said, we will consider renewable energy, solar energy, and also if required wind energy, and the other wealth from waste. So that's for as far as the generation is concerned. Then as far as the transmission and distribution is concerned, lighting is a very major part, which we have done a lot of research, and we have deployed a lot of lighting in different areas for our clients. And similarly, we can also look at lighting as a new technology which is very much in the research area in a lot of places. In fact, even Wipro has taken up research on this area. And we have done with our students at Rajaji Institute of Technology, where I was the secretary. Even we have some students. We are still getting small orders. Even today we have signed a new order for some lighting for an industry, in the form of we would in fact given them a offer for both solar as well as LED lights, but they were not very keen on solar because the budget constraint was there. So they have gone in for the LED lighting, where we are going to deploy our existing skill set from the students, the part-time jobbers, and utilize their skills, and we're going to take up this project. So similarly, all this comes into the banner of Sinha Enterprises. Give a total solution, where not only this, as I was mentioning, we have another plan of Li-Fi, the technology of Li-Fi, where LED lights will be used for data transmission, not just power transmission and data transmission. So when we are going to deploy Li-Fi instead of Wi-Fi, where LED lights and the light energy will be used instead of the sound energy for transmitting data. So a lot of research is still going on, and as you can see, there are a lot of advantages and disadvantages. Advantages will be like the transmission will be really fast, and the data carrying capacity will be really huge. But the disadvantages are like, light doesn't get transmitted on opaque surfaces. So there will be a lot of, you can't really, you can think of, you can just imagine all those street lights, all those bulbs from your car, all those bulbs from the different houses can be connected in a circle, and data can be transmitted through these Li-Fi live LED lights, and you could transmit data in the kind of unimaginable speeds and unimaginable volume. So even that can be, take